Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered what happens when artificial intelligence starts designing computer chips? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into a mind-blowing breakthrough that has left even the brightest human engineers scratching their heads. So, what's the big deal, team? Artificial intelligence is now creating computer chips so advanced and complex that human minds can't fully comprehend how they work. This revolutionary research is led by Kaushik Sengupta at Princeton University, and it's all about using convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, to design these cutting-edge chips. Now, most traditional chip design methods follow a top-down approach, but AI flips the script with a bottom-up or reverse design process. Imagine starting with the end goal and working backward to figure out how to get there. This lets the AI think outside the box, bypassing human limitations and exploring those wild, unconventional configurations. Here's where it gets really exciting. AI can generate these designs in minutes, something that would take human engineers years to achieve. The chips it produces are not just faster and smaller, they're more intricate and efficient, using non-linear and unexpected solutions. But like any groundbreaking technology, it comes with its share of challenges. On the bright side, we'll see massively advanced technology with chips that are faster, smaller, and more powerful than ever before. However, there are some serious concerns we need to address. First up, repairability and sustainability. These AI-designed chips are so complex that if something goes wrong, fixing them could be nearly impossible. Imagine a world where these chips become disposable, leading to a surge in electronic waste. Next, there's the issue of technological safety. If we don't fully understand how these chips work, can we really trust them in critical systems? It's a question we need to consider seriously. And lastly, the pace of advancement is staggering. NVIDIA's CEO has noted that AI chip development is exceeding Moore's law, which means the rate of progress is something we might struggle to keep up with. So is this a tech marvel or a risk? Only time will tell. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And a quick shout out to Infobuy for the incredible insights. Check out their February 9th, 2025 article titled La inteligencia artificial creo chips que la mente humana no puede comprender for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. Until next time, stay curious.